In this video, I'll show you how to add an automatic pop-up quiz to a specific page in your Shopify store. First, make sure the quiz you want to publish is set as the default quiz. Click the three dots next to it, choose Make Default Quiz, and confirm. You'll see a badge showing it's now the default. Next, go to Online Store, Themes, click Customize, and from the Homepage menu switch to Pages. Create a new template, give it a name, something like Auto Pop-Up Quiz, and click Create Template. In the new template, click Add section, go to Apps, and select Auto Pop-Up Quiz by RevenueHunt. From this point on, the quiz will display automatically on any page that has this template applied. You can adjust the settings in the Auto Pop-Up Quiz panel. For example, change the delay in seconds to control how quickly the pop-up appears. Remember, the automatic pop-up is shown only once per user session, so it doesn't become too intrusive. You can also change the pop-up width and height. By default, it's full screen, but you can set it to 90% or another size. The Z-index controls the stacking order of elements, so if something like a chat widget overlaps your quiz, increase the Z-index to bring the pop-up to the front. Another option is Exit Intent, which triggers the pop-up whenever a user tries to leave your homepage. Use this carefully, as it can feel intrusive. Finally, you can display a specific quiz instead of the default by entering its quiz ID. To do this, save your changes, go back to the app, copy the ID of the quiz you want, return to the theme editor, and paste it into the quiz ID field. That quiz will now appear instead of the default. If you remove the ID, the default quiz will show again. Once you're happy with the settings, save your changes. Now, let's apply this template to a page. Go back to Online Store, Pages, click Add Page, and give it a name like Auto Pop-Up Page. Under Template, select the Auto Pop-Up template you just created. Make sure visibility is set to visible, then save. Once you're happy with the settings, save your changes and preview your page. Keep in mind the pop-up shows only once per session, so when testing, open your page in an incognito window to make sure it appears. And that's it. Your automatic pop-up quiz will now load on this page after the delay you've set. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.